What's happening, guys? Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures, and today I'm out on the water again. Looks like it's very smooth, shallow. Also, it's low tide. Couple of videos going to be made out here today. That's why I'm out here. Number one, I want to show you guys the rear GoPro mount. That's back here somewhere. There we go. Rear GoPro mount. I'll show you some video footages from that. That's going to be probably this video here, and then I'm also going to be doing a video because I just put another tune on this. This is the 21 GTX 230, so I'm going to test it out, see how it goes. But right now, let me head out in the water, and I'll hook the GoPro up a little bit here and get you some footage. All right, there it is. Out here in the water. It's like glass today. So there's some footage there from the rear facing GoPro. Unfortunately, it's a Monday. I'm out here by myself, and as you can tell, there is absolutely nobody out here today. And I don't have a tube to pull with anybody to pull it. So you don't get that type of footage, but you do get to see what this thing is capable of as far as rear facing GoPro. So with this water being as smooth as it is out here today and absolutely nobody around, I'm gonna throw my cruise control lever on, which these are also in the description. I'll throw a link for those. Throw this on. I'm gonna take me a nice long ride, probably from here out to Anclote. It's about an hour ride, and just kick back, relax, have some fun. Guys, check out the links in the description if you want to see the other videos that I'm doing today, especially on the tune. Pretty especially if you have a GTX 230, you might want to watch that tune, or that video about the tune. So that's coming up next. Give me a subscribe, click that subscribe and hit that bell, and it'll notify you when the new videos are loaded. Guys, check out the website, two different sites, website and Etsy, and the GoPro mount for the rear, as well as the GoPro mount for the front. Grab them both, do front and back. We'll talk to you next time.